Hi guys, my name is Vinod Podzade. Today's date is 16 December 2021, and today topic is the polymorphism in Java language. So, what is the polymorphism? In the first is the polymorphism is the word is the in Greek word, and polymorphism is divided into two parts. It means poly means many, and morphisms means forms. Many forms, it is called as the polymorphisms. So polymorphism, it is used to in the Java language, because the you have to one task to doing the in different way. It is the using the polymorphisms. So in polymorphism is the it means it is the polymorphism is the object, and it is the into divided in the different behaviors. It's called as the polymorphism. In polymorphism, in using the two types of the polymorphisms in Java. So first is the compile time polymorphism, and second is the runtime polymorphism. First is the compile time polymorphism is the used to it is the main used to achieve the overloading in Java language. It is used to the compile time polymorphism. And compile time polymorphism, it means it is handle the in compiler. You handle the compiler, it is used to the compile time polymorphism. And in polymorphism, it is the most it is used to the achieve the overloading. What is the overloading? Overloading, it is the you have to same class, but same class, and in the different methods, but same name methods, but in the given the parameter is the different types. It is called as the overloading method. Suppose you have to take the one example. So first is the create a one class is a text, and within this class we have to create two methods. Is the one is the A, and second is the B. Two methods, and A method, it is the given the one parameter. It is called the integer A, and second is the B method. In the you have to given the two parameters, is the integer A and integer B. It is the these types of the it is these types it is called the overloading. And overloading is the achieve the in polymorphism. And runtime compile time polymorphism, it is the second called the static polymorphism. In the two types of the associated the name. And second is the runtime polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism, it is used to the handle runtime polymorphism is the handle to the JVM. And JVM, and in the main purpose of the runtime polymorphism, achieve the overriding in Java language. So it is used to the runtime polymorphism. It means, and second it is called the runtime polymorphism is called the dynamic polymorphisms. In runtime polymorphism, used to the overriding, achieve the overriding. So what is the overriding? Overriding is the same name one second overriding is the different class, different class, and method is the same. And argument is the same. This is called as the overriding method. And overriding method, in the overriding method we have to take the one class is the text, and this class you have to given the two methods is the one is the a and second is the b. Then the one one class is the a, and second class is the b, different class, and in the two different class, but method is the same. Method text, it is the represent in the class a, and class b represented in the method of the text. That is the same methods but different class. And overriding, it is called the extend the parent class, extend the parent class in the overriding. So these types of the achieve the overriding. And in polymorphism, two types of the achieving the polymorphism. So thank you.